This luxurious mansion overlooks the stunning mountains and sandy beaches of the North Coast. This 7-bedroom home has an enormous open-plan living, dining, and kitchen area, with sliding doors opening to the terrace and pool area, perfect for entertaining. The kitchen is equipped with a breakfast bar and top-quality appliances. On the second floor, you will find 3 bedrooms, all opening up to a balcony spanning the length of the home, with a stunning ocean view. On the third floor, there are 2 more bedrooms and the luxurious master suite, complete with a large jacuzzi and stunning views. Call us to find out more. For more information on this listing, please contact Amber Coast Realty, your real estate professionals in the Dominican Republic.